Hey YouTube, here we are today. We are with this nice piece of equipment here, 1956 International TD6 that they've modified a little bit in the front with a 6-way blade. We're gonna learn here from the master how to operate and run this thing.
Okay, first you have to turn the gas on. Check and make sure there's gas in the fuel tank. Looks like there's enough. Turn the gas on. I like to turn it off so it doesn't leak fuel. When you come around, starts on gas first, so you want the throttle clear down on for the diesel. Pull it out. That puts it into the gas mode. Turn the key on. Hit the starter, choker a little. Run on gas, and to lift this up, start pumping diesel in it, so see how it changes in the smoke. You have to let it warm up a little before it will actually kick in the diesel. So I let the diesel run in there a little bit. And then you push this in, and that'll shift it to diesel. It's not warm yet.
Still too cold. Too cold? That's cool. It's got the modified 6-way blade. Something that they just custom built here. Works really good. Sounds good now. I know it's old, it's just kind of cool. This is 1956. They've worked on, you know, it's been worked on many a times. It's just cool that it, you know, it's just awesome, these old machines. Anyway, there's a little bit about it